You want to play? Come on then!
Let's play. Let's play.
Come on then! The game's called Run! Run!
I think we're being followed. Oh, hello. Look at the detail in the makeup, it's brilliant. Well, what a start to the video. I am the CHALL. Welcome to Doncaster Factory 2024. We are here to experience one of the first Halloween events on the channel this season. We've got the brand new maze Frigate Foundry, we've got returning favourites like the Pogo Club, we've got changes inside mazes such as Crackle Hill, the Summoning, the Chasm in its final year of operation, and also we have Diabolis, Witches of Salem. Let's get inside Doncaster Factory 2024. So we're here with Ella and Libby. Ready for a night of terror? Woo! Hey! You can follow these guys on Instagram, make sure you check them out. I'll leave links in the description down below as well. Ooh, hello. These tunnels are new, which is fantastic. Oh, hello. This... Oh, there's the new maze, Frigate Foundry. Oh, hello. Oh, no. Boom, boom, boom! Everybody say wayo, wayo! Boom, boom, boom! Everybody say wayo, wayo! Boom, boom, boom! Everybody say fia, fia! Yeah, so this year they've given us a card where you get a stamp every time you step into a maze or the time you exit a maze. So if your tummy is a little bit full, if not too full, you can have some sweet treats here at one of these side stores. Prices there, 4 donuts, $4.50, 5 donuts for a $5, 4 donuts with chocolate and marshmallows, £6. You've got waffles over there as well. So then, Libby, what we're looking forward to tonight?
I'm looking forward to the Pogo Club because that was the most scary last year.
Yeah.
I feel like it's going to be the most scary again this year. But I've heard that they've all changed mazes and there's a new maze this year.
Yeah.
So I'm really looking forward to the new maze.
I was going to say, Frigate Foundry sounds intriguing, doesn't it?
Yeah, like what is it about? What's going to happen? Like,
yeah, but you know what? I think it's time to get into some mazes.
I think it's a right time to get into some mazes. Let's go!
Here we go, inside the first maze, the Pogo Club. Hi! I know you! Oh, hello! Oh my God! They died! Ah, lovely walls. Lovely bright walls.
How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my Lord! This is new. Pogo Club then, you were most terrified of this one last year. What are you thinking now?
This year I feel like we could have done an extra few pounds,
yeah.
Made it a little bit better, but it was still scary.
They made changes in there, definitely.
They have made so many changes in there compared to last year.
But we're going into Diabolis now. This terrified me last time. In we go then to Diabolis, Witches of Salem. They've changed it. Oh my goodness gracious! Oh my Jesus God!
Trouble, please! You can save her now!
Oh my God! I won't let you get lost. Wow.
There's nowhere to run! Nowhere to hide!
Oh, I bet there isn't.
Witches don't lie!
Oh my Jesus! Oh Jesus! Oh my God! Oh, right then, Libby, talk us through that one, Diabolis.
It wasn't as good as last year, I will say that, right?
It did feel like a lot of stuff had been taken out for that one.
Yeah, 100, like last year, you had the bag over your head, like you had a lot more like scary stuff, whereas that one I don't think it was scarier.
So we are inside Crackle Hill, the Summoning. Dusty floorboards, I hate them. Oh my God! Oh my Jesus God!
She sees you!
Oh my God!
In the walls!
She's with me in the walls. Who's that?
Please, she's killing them all! She's coming!
I know she's coming. Lovely symbols on the walls there. Oh my Lord. Oh Jesus, I looked at the bench. Oh no! Hello. Holy Mother of God! Holy Mother of Jesus! I'll start booking my church appointment now.
Please!
Wow.
Someone stay with me! Where are you going?
Forward?
Stay with me!
I wish I could.
Yeah, she's gonna kill me.
Oh no. Oh, hello. Here we go then, the final year of the Chasm.
Say, my friend. Take a look. He's trapped. Boys, better. You can't be scared.
Good advice. Oh, hello. Oh no! Oh no! R.I.P. to that guy. Oh, hello. Ah! This is very Nemesis Subterra. Oh, hello. Nice to meet you. Ah! Licking me. Oh my God! Look at that monstrosity. Stranger Things! Ah! He shot my leg! Ah.
Oh my
Come through quickly! Oh my God! Ah! Oh, taking the rock work one last time. Wow.
That was bloody horrible.
I was going to say, what's your thoughts on Chasm?
So scary.
Yeah.
More scared.
A fitting way to send that maze out?
Yeah, 100%. But I don't think she'll get rid of it personally. Hey, bestie. I actually don't know, you know. I don't think
It's
anything
hard
can
because there's
replace
positives
it.
with all of them, isn't there?
Yeah, I don't think anything can replace that one. Personally.
Yeah, but it's a nice fitting tribute for that one.
Yeah, 100%.
So this is the final maze, the Frigate Foundry. Yana Gate, Diabolis, Keeper of Secrets, with Wits and Salem as well. Really good there.
As humanities into my little corner of the world, my foundry. You can feel it, can't you? The heat of the forge, the weight of the darkness pressing in, the whispers of those who came before you, and never left. This is where I created my masterpieces, when I craft a perfect blend of terror and torment. You see, I don't just build scare attractions here. No. I design experiences, nightmares, horrors, and quality of skin, and burrow deep into that fragile little mind of yours. Every scream, every gasp, every drop of sweat, it is music to my ears. I watch it all from my office above, where I can see you squirm, hear your heart race, feel your fear. Because you see, in my foundry, you are the prototypes, each and every one of you, and just subject in my all-night experiment of fear. You think you're brave, you think you're in whatever I've conjured up this time. Good. I've been waiting for someone like you. Step inside, let's see how far you can go before your courage crumbles and your sanity slips away. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my foundry of terror.
So So this is essentially a journey of past, present and future mazes.
He knows your faces. He knows them all. This is his domain. You did this to yourselves.
I think
This is your fault. You made it happen. You made it happen.
this is my fault. Oh, hello. Oh, Jesus!
What a prize, son.
Oh, wow. Oh, hello.
You want to die? This is my favourite place to be. I like eating the
My
ears.
mama said I was a real good boy.
Oh, hello.
You're a naughty, naughty boy.
I think I might be. I think I might be. Oh, my God. Jesus Christ. I can't, sorry. You can laugh if you want, I just got separated. Oh, it's my friend.
You're in there with him. Little one. Right there, that way. Little one, let's have some.
Oh my.
I know you.
I know you.
You nearly ripped out my incisors.
Yes. And I intend to extract some more.
Libby, mate, new maze, what did you think?
Scary.
Was that good?
It was so good, but it was so scary.
Yeah. There was a lot in that, weren't there?
I'm gonna have nightmares for 6 years now.
So it's gone from 1 week to 6 years this year.
Yeah. 100%.
What a night. And thank you very much. I'm the CHALL. Ta-ra for now.